Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to post on LinkedIn in 2026. Sharing posts on LinkedIn is a great way to grow your professional network, showcase your expertise, and engage with your connections. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or visit the LinkedIn website on your PC or laptop. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look for the start a post box near the top of your feed. Click or tap it to open the post editor. Now type the content you want to share. You can post career updates, professional achievements, industry insights, business news, or helpful tips. Keep your post clear, professional, and easy to read. If you'd like, you can also add photos, videos, documents, or links by selecting the appropriate icons below the text box. You can even tag people or companies by typing the ** symbol followed by their name. Before publishing, choose who can see your post by adjusting the audience settings. You can share it with anyone, your connections, or a specific audience depending on your preference. Once everything looks good, click the *post * button. Your post will be published immediately and appear in your LinkedIn feed. You can always edit or delete your post later by clicking the three-dot menu on the post if you need to make changes. And that's how you can post on LinkedIn in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.